Welcome friends to my channel with the best 3D printed toys. In this episode I'm going to talk about R2D2, which I have upgraded with a Hulkbuster body. If you are interested in this 3D model, then make sure you keep watching after the intro. I saw a picture on the internet of R2D2 with a Hulkbuster body. This picture was very inspiring to me. I knew R2D2 could fly a small spaceship like an X-wing, so it seemed logical that he could easily control a robot's body as well. A massive robot body like that of Hulkbuster would be perfect for this little robot. With my interpretation, I didn't just add the head to the robot body. Instead, there is enough room inside the torso for the whole R2D2. The torso opens at the rear and R2D2 simply rolls in on a ramp, or if there is no ramp, then he flies in. The back of the robot body closes and connects to R2D2 inside. I designed the body to enable the free movement of the joints so that they can be adjusted to almost any position. The robot body is easy to assemble, constructed from smaller parts, so you can print it also with a small 3D printer. Here is a short video of how the model fits together. Subscribe. I also made a second set of hands for the robot. When I use theirs, it can hold my headphones. I really like toys and models that have practical use as well. The toy consists of two parts, R2D2 and the body of the robot. The R2D2 model is free because this model is widely available and can be downloaded from other websites as well for free. The robot body that I created can be purchased and downloaded from my website. Subscribe. If you like this toy and today's episode, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and you can also support me on my Patreon page. Thanks for watching.